Hello everyone, welcome to a new video with you Pararubical, and today we are playing Garten of Banban. Now if you're a long time fan, you may remember we played Garten of Banban 0 back on the channel a while ago, and as Banban 8 is coming out real soon, I thought I might go through all the games, 1 to 7. This might take a while, but this game will probably only be one video, the rest could probably be 2 parts, maybe even 3 with the later games. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Now, I don't usually pay attention to these, but if you like them, then that's fine. Here we are. So, yeah. Okay, so I must admit, Ooh, this game might not look the greatest, but it's fun. Oh, to me at least. A lot of people will disagree. This game actually, the starting game isn't that exciting, but I kinda needed to show it to you guys, just so we could, like, move on to the next ones and stuff. Jumbo Josh says, eat vegetables and fruits to become strong, like me. Sure. Stinger Flynn says, having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. And brilliant. Bird. Let's follow the bird. Hello. A pillar bird mission. A pillar bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Alright. See if I can remember where these are. So one. Is there one down here? Nope. But there's one of these. I believe there's one over here. Yep. 2. Bring a friendly stickers. Caution. Peel slowly. My stickers. Oh. I think that's 3 now. That's 3 now. Any in this boat? Yes. 4. Hey. 5. I think there's one on the swings. Oh. Oh, I missed this one. 6. Let's go. Vámonos. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Claim your reward at the mouth. Banban says, sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine. Yeah, of course it's yours. No, you can't have it actually on second thought. Oh, fly through my face. No, can't get it to. Distraction at 1. What's the distraction? I guess we'll never know. I mean, go, go, go. Okay. Ha, I remember. Ooh. The pillar bird says, laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. I will. Bird footprints. Spooky. Could I make this? Yes, easily. I alone. I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason see me but go. I am scared because howl is loud and my friends scream in it, but bird is funny. Okay, euphoric brothers. I think if I remember. Yes. One more egg. I haven't played this game in a while, so. When did I last play this game? I don't want to lie to you guys, so. I'm gonna try and get all the secret rooms in the games, because I actually don't think I've done that before. I think I might have gotten this one before, but I don't think I've gotten any of the others. Which is a bit sad. Oh wait, no. I cannot scan an egg on a keycard. I need to give this to you. 7th secret egg. And then we get the purple keycard. Whoop whoop. Round of applause for Rubical Fan. And do you recognize this room? This. I wonder if I'll be able to. This is the place from the clock screen. It's not much of a secret room. Yeah, the secret rooms do get better as the chapters go on. I believe I remember how to do all of them. Yeah, let's actually complete the story. Because we've 100% of the game. Oh, wait, actually, no. We should have 100% of the game. Okay. What was my color? You're red. You're white. You're green. I know you pink. You're either blue or purple. I'm gonna go with blue. And you're orange. I'm pretty sure if we have these all right, we can just spam them. Exactly. myself. Oh! Oh, that's not fair. I wasn't even standing that close. Thanks. Thanks a whole bunch. Okay, at least the game has decent checkpoints. Oh no. Ben's already here. Why didn't you just do what I did and get off? Okay, so now as the drone's slow, if I do it then now. Oh! Are you serious? I was going... You are... Are you saying I'm bad? Press E to be reincarnated. Follow all the rules. Sorry, that was a song I wrote ages ago. It's bad, so I won't sing it for you. Oh my goodness. And now we run. And oh. Ha! Eat that, bird. Now let us leave. Let us continue the search for our missing child. Oh, look at me. I can knock this chair in the hole. Oh, I should have put it on the floor while I was still there. I hear something. And let us leave. Let us go down. Farewell, Layer 1. Oh, is that the keycard scanner thing? Oh, here it is. Oh. It's been Jumbo Josh. And we fall. And we die. Except there are 5 more games. And that is the end of Garten of Banban. Garten of Banban 2 video on Wednesday, because I have a different video planned for Tuesday. But yeah, I'm pretty sure those are Banban's party hats, except they don't have the like confetti thing. Not confetti like streamers. But I believe that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll Catch you all riding the Ruby train. Bye.